Anak ko sa mga bata. Ano mo gagawin mo to?
Takot to, tatlong araw ka rin doon! Tatlong araw ka lang doon eh! Asa jacket to?
Hindi to. Hindi pa yan. Ito nga pagkakakin pa ako na pakainit.
Tingnan mo na ako, ihamon ko yung contract. Yan! Yan!
At sa first time, mga anak, makakapasay ng pakasaylan dahil sa pamamagitan ng GTI. Bulacan. Oh, ano ka natin? Hoy, no? You know? Right. Go.
Sasi, ala!
Alright, let's go mga kamag.
Ito naman si Jesse.
Ma. Hindi mo kakakit sa akin sa pagkababok tayo lang. Ay, hindi pala. Hanggang naiya lang pala. Alright mga kamag. Yung isa sa mga kasama natin si Andre Paro. Ayan. Hindi po may nang Paro natin. Ano bro? Mga ano yan eh. Mga fans ko yan eh. Ito anak ko tatlo. Bahala siya sa akin.
Paalam mo!
Alright. Dito kami sa International Airport.
Hanap ko ng chicks.
O, pakabait kayo ha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kapato! Ingat po! Anak, kabakan mo! Baka maano! Ingat, Papa!
Sir Mundo. Alright.
Ayan, alright!
Boy.
And passenger Marshall Tasche. Second passenger Marshall Tasche. If you are wrong, kindly approach and listen to her.
Alright. Yan mga kamag. Sakay na tayo ng aeroplano papuntang Bangkok, Thailand. Yan o. First time kong sasakay sa AirAsia. Oh no!
AirAsia.
Yan si Andre Barong. Nakakapag. Nasaan mo lang yun? Ayun lang yun. Hi, ma'am. Ay, si Ma'am Lani.
Sa palagay ko sa window.
Sa window po talaga siya.
Bukas na din yung bintana pag dito.
Saan tayo?
Tayo sa dulo.
Dulo? Dulo pa tayo mga kamat. Ay,
Kulit kami. Next day, next day na to.
dito tayo.
Pinakikiusapan namin ng lahat na i-off ang mga electronic device tulad ng mobile phones. At hindi ipinagbabawal ang paninigarilyo kabilang ang paggamit ng computer. Maraming salamat po. To Bangkok, Thailand. The commander of this flight is Captain Mark Galantino, assisted by First Officer Michael Manikan, and I'm your senior cabin crew icon. Together with Mia Rose, Hannah, and Joshua. This flight will take 1 hour and 3 hours and 5 minutes. Put your seat upright, ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened. Stow your tray table and open your window shade. Please switch all your electronic devices to flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta put the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Cabin crew, be seated for takeoff.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never
Alright mga kamag, thank you Lord for the safe travel at kinabayan nyo kami at kami po ay nandito na po sa bansang Bangkok, Thailand. Ready for landing na po yung ating sinasakyan na Air Asia. At tayo po ay lumapag dito po sa Don Muang International Airport, Bangkok, Thailand. Alright. Narito po kami ngayon sa pamamagitan ng pagdala po sa amin ng DTI Bulacan upang atinan ang pinakamalaking event na gaganapin po dito sa Bangkok, Thailand, yung Propac Asia 2024. At isa nga po kami sa mga napili ng DTI Bulacan dito sa Region 3. At syempre kasama po natin si Aling Ila Pastillas, the owner of Apo Priscilla de la Cruz, ayan, at si Sweet Bulacena ng San Miguel, Bulacan, the owner of Ma'am Lani Bencamino. At yung pinagmamalaki po na napakagandang design pagdating po sa yari ng Barong, dito lang po yan, Andre Barong ng Pandi, Bulacan. At kasama rin po natin ang Tita Lods Longganisa, Kalumpit, Bulacan. As delegates po ng DTI, kami po ay isa sa pinagkatiwalaan para umarap sa mga bagong kaalaman at bagong opportunity na ipinagkaloob po sa amin ng DTI Bulacan. At maraming salamat po sa nag-assist po sa amin, kay Ma'am Judith de la Cruz po, kay Ma'am Flora Cruz at kay Sir Warren Serrano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po kayo. Pilipinas, angat lahat. Alright.
ฉันเกิดในครอบครัวที่ยากจนมาก ถ้าฉันจะเรียนต่อ ฉันต้องเดินทางไปเรียนประมาณ 15 กิโลเมตร
Yan. Yan.
Doktor po.
Ay, sabi niya, I was born into a very, ayan. How about us? Kami naman, we speak English, then you translate.
I don't know English.
There. Pwede. Ay, English, then you translate to Thai. Di pwede.
AI, that's AI? Yeah,มันเป็นแอป
For family, if I wanted to continue my study, I had to travel 15 kilometers to study.
15 kilometers? Yeah, that I know. ฉันไม่มีจักรยานเลยในวัยเรียน
Very good.
ฉันเดินไปเรียนทุกวันจนจบ ฉันมัธยมปีที่ 3
Sinabi. Yan. I didn't have a bicycle when I was in school. I walked to class every day until I finished Matayan. Matayan is
ก็
college?
เลยลงสตู
That's good. Well, speak English, translated in Thai.
Oo, pwede ba yun? English then Thai.
Sa AI.
Baligtad yan.
Let's go อันนี้ของผม Father
Father.
7 year เอ้ย7
Yeah.
Sabi,
เนี่ยโฮมใหม่เนี่ย
Okay.
narating Pilipino.
country
Eh, dito naman po, kahit yung mga pasyala nila, maganda pa yung mga pasyala natin sa Pilipinas eh.
Ayan, Sukumbia.
Hotel Galleria 10.
Alright mga kamag, nakarating na nga tayo dito sa hotel na binuks natin ng DTI dito sa Galleria Hotel, Bangkok, Thailand. Abangan nyo mga kamag yung part 2 natin dito sa Propac Asia 2024. Alright.